The deliciously yummy prawn kofta curry. The prawn koftas melting in your mouth with that mouth-watering gravy that asks for more roti. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Farazone. So in today's video we are going to see how to make this prawn kofta curry. So let's get started. The first thing is to boil 2 medium-sized potatoes. Add required amount of salt and pressure cook them for 2 whistles. Finally, chop 2 medium-sized onion. Before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed and click the bell icon. I have taken here 1 cup of prawns that are washed and cleaned. Add 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 dry chilli. You can increase the dry chilli if you want more spice. I am grinding it into a fine paste. Mash the boiled potatoes and add the prawn mixture and mix well. Add required amount of salt. Now for the outer coating, I have taken some all-purpose flour, maida, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Season it with some salt and pepper. Make your desired size of balls from the potato prawn dough and coat the balls with the all-purpose flour. Now in a pan, add in some oil and fry these balls in medium heat. While the koftas are frying, I have taken a pressure cooker and I am going to make the gravy. So adding in the oil, add some whole spices like cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, cloves, chopped onions. Saute them with a little bit of salt until they are golden brown. The koftas have fried into a very beautiful golden brown color. Now it's time to take them out. Fry it and keep it aside. Now back to the gravy. Add in some ginger garlic paste, some Kashmiri red chilli powder, turmeric, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and some garam masala. Add finely chopped 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Mix well and add a little bit of water. Cover it with the lid and pressure cook for 1 whistle. This will make the gravy very smooth and fine. So after the whistle, you can see how much oil has oozed out. Beautiful consistency. The onion and tomato have become a fine paste. So the last ingredient is fresh cream. Add some cream. I have added 2 tablespoons of cream here. Mix it well. Sometimes the cream might curdle, so for that you can temper the cream by taking a little bit of gravy and mixing it in the cream and then adding the cream mixture to the gravy. Add in the fried koftas. Mix very carefully so that you don't break the koftas. Cook for 2 more minutes and your gravy is done. Ready to serve it. This is a very delicious gravy. You can add a little bit of cream over it. So this is ready to serve with some hot rotis or parata or even naan. So that's the recipe. I hope you like it and do give it a try. Your family really love it.